up, YouTube? Today, going on a bicycle ride. Probably to Budhanilkantha. It's around 19 kilometers, I think. Round week trip. I did try to look for some cycle repair shops. None of them were open. So I guess we're going to Lazim Park, and from there maybe another 8-9 kilometers, then we'll reach Budhanilkantha. I'll just show you guys around and we'll return. Red light, green light. Double. Do you get it? Hazır. Yes. भयो होला लाइट ब्लिङ्क भइरहेछ क्या त्यो लाइट ब्लिङ्क भएको कुरा चाहिँ के भने स्पिड चेक गर्छ आजकल बाटोमा स्पिड चेक गरेर फोटो खिच्छ क्या फोटो खिचेर तिमीलाई अब बाहिर जस्तै मेलवाला हुन्छ नि मेलवाला सिस्टम ल्याउनु लाग्छ फोटो खिचेर तिम्रो नागरिक एप भन्ने छ त्यसमा तिम्रो आउँछ त्यो ब्लिङ्क भएर चाहिँ त्यहाँ सेन्सर र क्यामेरा छ कि अनि अहिले चाहिँ खै त्यो चलिरहेको छ कि छैन थाहा भएन अहिले ऱ्यान्डममा फोटो खिच्छ तर यसको काम चाहिँ त्यही हो तिम्रो एपमा आउँछ अनि सबै क्युआर पेमेन्टहरूबाट पे गर्ने त्यस्तो अलग सिस्टम ल्याएको छ We just crossed Chakrapad and currently we're on an uphill, pretty long uphill from all the way back to right over where the bus is parked, the traffic light. It's a full uphill. It's not that steep, but still it gets tiring on your legs. We should reach cyclist just greeted me. He was right in front of me over there. Bro came out of nowhere. I was scared. Bro came out of nowhere and started saying namaste and all. But it's good. The cycling community in Nepal is growing. It's pretty good. Just entered the gate. Almost there. I'm almost there. I don't want to pedal anymore, man. It's so boring. Now I remember why I stopped going cycling. It's boring as hell. It's just fatty lap ago. Thank you for the ramps. Huh? Pretty? This is the temple. Darshan Gala Darshan. I don't know what you're seeing, but what I'm seeing looks cool as fuck, bro. Fat Labrador.